Supreme Court, you are the most disgusting court in the world. When you passed your decision that the police no longer have to protect the people or their property, you betrayed every man, woman, and child in this country. My father's World War II benefits were stolen. $200 million, 14 cars, 2 motorcycles, horses and saddles, and all my music gear is gone. I'm a keyboard player and a guitarist, and I just wrote 20 songs. I hate you. You are the most disgusting court in the country. You have made it so there are no laws upheld in America. And if I had a chance, I would come and hang every one of you by your neck until you are dead because you have betrayed America, every man, woman, and child in this nation. What you've done is put the law enforcement back into the hands of the people, but the people don't even know what you've done. You're disgusting. You are despicable. You are pigs. You are scum. I hope you all die a horrible death.